Okay, today I will coming to discuss about the Lagrange's method. See that Lagrange's method. The Lagrange's method basically contains a general form, and that is the general equation of Lagrange's method. Graphically or mathematically, it can be represented as PP plus QQ is equal to R. See, this one is the Lagrange's method, where capital P, capital Q, capital R, which contains the equation, and for solution of this equation, we consider an auxiliary equation. Okay. That is auxiliary equation we have to consider for solution of this equation. So what is the auxiliary equation? Dx by P is equal to dy by Q is equal to dz by R. See, this one is the auxiliary form of the solution of the given Lagrange's method, where P, Q, R are the functions of x, y, z or any constant. P, Q, R are the functions of x, y, z. Okay. Then how to solve this one? Now this is the solution step, is solution of this equation. What is this solution? The solution is the function of u comma v equal to 0. This is the solution. So what is u? U is one solution, and that solution is that the integrating constant of one solution, and v is another in solution of the integrating constant of the solution. So how to find u and how to find v? So any two solution we have considered from auxiliary equation, so that we consider one example. P 2p plus 3q is equal to 5. Solve. Actually, this is an auxiliary equation. We need to solve this problem. And first of all, we know this equation is which type of equation is this one. So this equation, when we compare this PP plus QQ is equal to RC, the P is equal to 2 here. Capital P is equal to 2 and capital Q is equal to 3 and capital R is equal to 5. See. So these are the values, capital P, capital Q, capital R, the values of the given equation. So for solution, we have explained already the need the auxiliary equation. Okay, we need auxiliary equation for solution of this equation. What is the auxiliary equation? And dx by p is equal to 2, dy by q is equal to 3, dz by r that is equal to 5. See, so we need two solutions from this equation. Okay, first of all, we consider we need two solutions. Two solutions we need. Okay, so first of all, we consider any two. Dx by 2 is equal to dy by 2. Consider. So first of all, we consider dx by 2. See, dx by 2 is equal to dy by, what is the this y value? Dy by 3. Okay, so you solve this equation, cross multiplication 3 dx is equal to 2 dy. Then integrate this function, and that is equal to 3x is equal to 2y plus of u. And that is u was integrating constant we have, that is the one solution, which is a function of x and y. So what is u? Now u is equal to 3x minus of 2y. See, this is the u value. One solution we have found here. Again, we need to another solution. So how to find another solution? Now another solution we collect from any two. We have considered first and second. Now we consider second or third, or first or third. So choose second and third. Let's consider second and third. So what is the second? The dy by 3, which is equal to dz by 5. Then cross multiplication this number 5 dy is equal to 3 dz. Then integrate this one. So what is the result? That is 5y is equal to 3z plus another integrating constant v. What is the v? V is equal to 5y minus 3z. So these are two solutions we found here. So we need the solution. The solution is equal to function of u comma v equal to 0 or function of 3x minus 2y 5y minus 3z equal to 0. So this one is the solution of the given equation. Okay. So see